your just names. Okay, maybe we'll begin, Lars?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's start.
Okay, so it's planned 4 presentations for today, and the first one is Kurbanova Mekhrangiz from Landscape Design Department,
which became one of the reasons for choosing this research topic. Secondly, Tashkent was selected as a capital of Uzbekistan, where despite the rapid urban development, similar problems in organizing green spaces can also be observed. And next, finally, Almaty was chosen as an example of interaction experience because it has similar climate conditions as we, and has actively implemented a modern approach to urban landscape.
Comments or questions? Güzel. Are you satisfied?
Yes, good.
Okay, so thank you. And other students, please, any questions or comments from other students?
Good afternoon. My name is Aygül. I studied Karakalpak State University. I study Karakalpak State University, construction materials.
May we see you? Put on your camera.
I have a question. My question, how do these materials contribute to energy efficiency in buildings, and why is basalt considered a strong and durable natural material?
There is not about building. There is not a topic about building. There is a topic about micro district, child playgrounds, and I choose one of the very useful materials, which I, in my opinion, which will be very to save not only energy, but also in order to save children from sunscreen, or how to say, sunlight, and in order to save children's health, like not overheating children, how to say, small architecture forms, in order to avoid overheating children's small children's architecture forms
from sun radiations. Okay, thank you
for your answer.
Put on your camera.
Yeah, I will put on your camera. Turn on your camera. Kamerang jak.
Like to be, Jan, it's very, very boring to see nothing but names. Very boring.
Yeah. Please, all students, turn on your cameras. We want to see your faces. We want to see yourselves, but not only your names. They are so shy.
Do you see me?
Yes.
Yes, I can see myself. So
there we are. Yes, there we are. Yes, very good. Hello.
I wanna say I wanna say thank you for everyone for organizing this kind of meetings. I think it will give us, most of us, a lot of possibilities. Thank you for your attention. Bye.
Thank you too.
Oh, actually, we have still other comments from maybe other comments from students. Okay, no. Then, Lars, maybe you say something.
Yes. First of all, I should say thank you for this presentation. It was an interesting selection of topic.
Thank you.
Of course, sustainable development is also a social concern, not only energy and climate and so forth, so resource management, but also a social dimension, which you picked up. So that's good. Your presentation was a little too long, but not much. A little, just a little. When it comes to sources, of course, it's possible to have a list of references in the end of the presentation, but especially when it comes to pictures, you should put them on the right place. So remember this for everyone. You should have your sources of pictures and so on the right place. And tell me, did you really write this old text yourself? Probably not. You picked it up from somewhere. And then you should also have that sources. You know, it's a concern and a respect for those who actually did the job from the beginning. So that's important. Over and over again, we have to say that. And then when it comes to the content, of course, it's you had several interesting things here. For example, urban heat is a concern. It's absolutely correct that you have greenery to counteract that. It could be up to 5 degrees actually if you're under a tree compared to just being out in the open air. So that's very important. And then of course also taking care of water. That was also dealt with very well. When it comes to how to put this into the city and so on, of course you should expect children from not far away come to these places. So one aspect is of course how many are there, where are they compared to where people live and so on. That we didn't see so much of, but that's an important part. It's there used to be a figure of 300 meters when assessing the sustainability of cities. There should be 300 meters or not or less, of course, to such places. That's an aspect that you did not look into. Well, that's some of the things you could think about. And of course, when it comes to a very good picture was when people or the kids were planting themselves. That's good. They could also grow themselves, berries. There could be an apple tree. They could cultivate vegetables and so on. That's happening in some places. That's very educational and good for sustainability as well. Well, thank you so much. That's my comment. I don't know if Björn, you want to comment?
I have a short comment. First, I like the presentation very much. I think it was a little bit, what you say, odd from what we're used to in connection to the course. And a reflection I have is that it would be very good if you could have related a bit to what pillars of sustainable development and sustainability is your lecture or your presentation. Lars indicated, and I agree, that it's perhaps mostly to the social pillar, but it also has ecological, parts in it. Economy, I don't know. But that's interesting for us to see that how it connects to the course. And then I'm also very eager about this thing. Can one use actually these places to form knowledge in the kids? As Lars suggested, could there be some examples of how you could organize ecologically oriented solutions? And also, of course, grow some vegetables, flowers, or other plant like that. So that's a means of really making use of playgrounds also for a deeper purposes. Learning play.
Thank you for your comment.
Thank you, Rustam. Perhaps we have to, thank you, Björn. Perhaps, Rustam, we have to go to next presentation.
Yes. Yeah, thank you, Mekhrangiz also. So we switch to next one, Khalbayev Yusuf. from Engineering Communications Department of Jeddah Polytechnical Institute. Please, Yusuf, share your screen and go ahead.